Okay, namaste, friends. Today we will talk about attitude of gratitude. जो हम लास्ट में हमेशा थैंकफुल मोड में रहते हैं ध्यान करने के बाद, जब मैं आपको सबको कहती हूँ क्या हम हमेशा वी शुड बी इन जस्ट भाव ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड या कृतज्ञता के भाव में रहना is attitude of gratitude. So we should talk about that. Why is it necessary for us to be in this state always? हमें हमेशा लोगों के आभार, अपने आभार, यूनिवर्स के आभार क्यों मानने चाहिए? जैसे कि कोई कॉम्प्लीमेंट करता है मुझे, आपको, किसी को भी, तो ऑब्वियसली हम लोग कहते हैं ओके गुड थैंक यू, बस सिंपल। और हमें लगता है हमारा काम खत्म हो गया, राइट? एक थैंक यू बोल दिया। तो अब मैं थैंक यू किस भाव से बोल रही हूँ? इज जस्ट अ लिप movement, lip service, or is it coming from that inside, that feeling, yes, I need to give back something to the person who's appreciating me or who's helping me? If someone has helped me, so what will I say? Thank you. बस एक thank you बोल के मुझे लगता है मैंने अपना काम कर दिया, but it is much more than that. कृतज्ञता कहते हैं एक बहुत बड़ा गुण रहता है। इतना बड़ा गुण, सबसे ज्यादा अगर आपको अपनी वाइब्रेशंस, अपनी पॉजिटिविटी, अपनी बॉडी की, अपने माइंड की अगर हमें बढ़ानी है, तो हमेशा द मोड ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड यू शुड स्टे इन। ये कृतज्ञता के मोड में, आभार के मोड में हमेशा सबके आभारी रहने चाहिए। तो हमारी बॉडी के वाइब्रेशंस बिकम वेरी पॉजिटिव एंड प्यूरिटी कम्स इन अवर सेल्फ। सो दैट इज व्हाई इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। वी ऑल नो हाउ इंपॉर्टेंट दिस पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड इज। हम सब हमेशा बात करते रहते हैं ना कि नेगेटिव एटीट्यूड नहीं होना चाहिए, पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड होना चाहिए। तो दिस ग्रैटिट्यूड का जो एटीट्यूड है, इट कम्स फ्रॉम द positivity, the attitude of positiveness. So we are taught to look at, हमेशा हमको कहते हैं कि ग्लास में आधा पानी, आधा दूध, आधा ग्लास, अगर आधा खाली है और आधा भरा हुआ है, तो हम कहते हैं कि जो भरा हुआ है उसको देखो, जो खाली है मत देखो. So this is what positivity we have been taught right from the childhood. So with this mindset we should always stay in that mindset, कि not to look at the what is less in us, what is not there, what is vacuum, what is empty. Instead of looking at that, we should always see what is full. So studies show that if you express gratitude, it raises your happiness by 25% and also your vibrations. So when you take a moment to give thanks for whatever you have, so instead of thinking or just क्रिबिंग कि ये तो नहीं है यार मेरे पास अभी, हाँ इतना है पर वो नहीं है, तो ऑलवेज ऐसे हाँ ये है बट we always use this word but. Yes, it is there with me, I have a beautiful house, but then we will say but the place is not good, like I always do this and I need to improve. The house is good but Mumbai, bekar city, this that. So I am not even in that mode of gratitude with the place I am living in, which is what we do mistake. Whatever we have, whatever tiniest things we have, we always have to be in that. Because then if you're not in that attitude of gratitude, what we have also, we will start losing that also in gradually. We won't even realize, we will start, because God will say if you're not in that, आपको इस चीज के भी आप आभार नहीं मान रहे हो जो आपके पास है, तो हम दे भी क्यों उसको? आपके पास, you don't deserve to have that also. So that is the difference, why we should always be in that mode of gratitude. कहते हैं वैदिक काल में भी जब वेदों की रचना हो रही थी, तब गुरुओं ने सबसे ज्यादा कृतज्ञता प्रकृति के प्रति उन्होंने कहा कि वी शुड ऑलवेज बी इन दैट नेचर के प्रति हमें ग्रेटिट्यूड दिखाना चाहिए। इसलिए हमें जो नदियां, वृक्ष, पहाड़, पत्थर, चांद, तारे, खेत, वायु, अन्न, इनके प्रति हमें हमेशा एक आभार व्यक्त करना चाहिए। क्योंकि मनुष्य जितनी तेजी से किसी भी वस्तु विशेष को कंज्यूम करता है ना, उतना वापस नहीं कर पाता। हम जितने तेजी से ये सब नेचर को यूज कर रहे हैं, जितनी हवा हम अंदर ले रहे हैं, जितना पानी हम यूज कर रहे हैं, जितना सनलाइट हम यूज कर रहे हैं, एम आई गिविंग बैक टू द नेचर same amount? No, we are not. So at least what we should give is that the thankful attitude. Every time be thankful to the nature, that 5 elements we call. So why do we, many but very few people on this are in this mode? Why it is so? If gratitude is so good for our mental and emotional health, then why do we struggle to practice it. As humans, we are always hardwired to dwell on the what is not there, what is bad in us. So सबसे पहली बात, आज के लोग निस्वार्थ भाव से सहायता करते नहीं है. कुछ करते भी है तो हम उनको एक थैंक्स बोलकर हिसाब किताब बराबर कर देते हैं. ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच. इससे हमें सहायता करने वाले का तो अपने धर्म का पालन कर देता है, जो हमें हेल्प करता है वो उसने तो अपने धर्म का पालन कर लिया, पर जो हमने जो सहायता ली है किसी से, जो हमको आभार जिस तरीके से उसको व्यक्त करना चाहिए, we are not able to do that. What we do is that only one lip service, thank you so much. एंड उसमें भी हमारा भाव क्या है. जब मैं थैंक यू बोल रही हूँ किसी को, तो मेरा भाव क्या है, मैं आत्मा से बोल रही हूँ या मैं सिर्फ अपने लिप सर्विस कर रही हूँ. तो एक्चुअली वेदों में उन्होंने ये कहा है कि अगर यू वांट टू से थैंक यू टू एनी पर्सन, एनीथिंग, देन यू शुड से थैंक यू एंड यू शुड गिव बैक the same service to some other person who is in need. If suppose I am having I need someone's help, I want to go from point A to point B and I have taken someone's help, can you just give me a lift and drop me there? So I said thank you that person, but what I should be doing is that I should promise in my mind that next time if someone helps me, someone needs that help, I should be doing it. That is what, then you are giving back to the society or giving back to the person who has helped you. So this becomes a chain, and that's why we can increase this attitude of gratitude in every way. So there are 4 simple ways to develop this attitude. First is that keep a gratitude journal. If someone were to ask you right now that what you are grateful for, तो immediately हमारे पास बहुत thoughts नहीं आते कि मैं किस चीज के लिए grateful हूँ, but आपको आदत हो जाएगी every day write at least 5 points what I should be thankful to about the whole day में मुझे किस चीज के लिए मुझे thank you बोलना है. Second, we should express our gratitude to every person who opens the door for us, who delivers anything to us, the maids which are coming once in a while, something by some reason or other, we should say thankful, we should be thankful to them. Then celebrate the smallest things, whatever is happening in your life. Not necessary कि बहुत बड़ी कोई चीज हो तभी हमें celebration करना चाहिए. Smallest of the things also are worth celebrating. This is the way of saying thank you to the universe, what the universe has given to you. Then meditate is also a form of gratitude. So always that is what we are doing here. We meditate, and this in our mind with complete purity, we should always be thankful for the people who are in our life, for the things which are with us, right from our bed, right from our house, right from the inanimate things also. So with this attitude, we are going to do pranayam. No, we are going to skip pranayam today because I want you to do this little bigger dhyan today. So everyone take this position, eyes closed. Chashma pehna hoga to chashma nikal dijiye please. And today I will play music little slow, and I'm going to talk something, give some instructions to you, which you have to repeat it in your mind. You need not have to say it loudly, just have to repeat it in your mind. And the music which I'm going to play is a gratitude music only. It has that certain frequency, 432 hertz ki ek frequency rehti hai, which connects with your vibrations, and it is like attract abundance in us and all food we deserve in our life. So this is a law of vibration, is the difference between the mind and matter, between the physical and non-physical world. So with this music, we are going to do meditation and also some few of my instructions which I will be giving. So sit comfortably, eyes closed, and focus on your breath. अपने श्वास पे ध्यान दीजिए अभी तो. And gentle music I will play in a while. सबसे पहले we will invite Adi Yogi, Shiva, Mahavatar Babaji, Maharshi Patanjali, and all the gods and goddesses and the gurus. Seek their blessings. उनके आशीर्वाद लेंगे. Now just think of a person, place, or a thing whom you love the most. Visualize that image and experience the feeling for that person or for that thing or for that place for the matter. You can select anything which you love the most or you feel that you should be थैंकफुल टू द पर्सन। आप कुछ भी सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो, आप जिसे चाहते हो बहुत, उसको विजुअलाइज करिए, अपने सामने लाइए पूरे भाव से, पूरे आपके मन में जितना प्यार है उसके प्रति, उस चीज के प्रति, उस व्यक्ति के प्रति, उस जगह के प्रति। नाउ से थैंक यू टू दैट पर्सन, प्लेस, थिंग। और इसी भाव में पूरे टाइम इसी फीलिंग के साथ हम ध्यान करेंगे। Feel that expansion of your heart, increase in the positivity, positive vibrations. Say thank you to the person. Thank you for this day. Thank you for the air I am breathing. Thank you for the gift of this life. Thank you for the house I am living in. Thank you for the fresh bath I am taking. Thank you for the roof over my head. Thank you for the warmth in this home. Thank you for the warm food on my plate. Thank you for my beautiful, healthy body. Thank you for the earth beneath my feet. Thank you for the freedom I'm experiencing. Thank you for the helpful neighbors. Thank you to the Mother Nature, Sun, Moon, Earth. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Again, thank you for this beautiful day. Thank you for the air I breathe. Thank you for the fresh water I drink. Thank you for the loving people around me. Thank you for the beautiful places I'm able to see. Thank you, all the plants and the trees. Thank you to the flowers which make me smile. Thank you for the beautiful fragrance which I am able to smell. Thank you that I am meditating. Thank you to the delivery boy who is giving deliveries at my doorstep. Thank you for the capacity to love. Thank you for all my experiences. Thank you for all the blessings in my life. Now stay in this attitude. इसी भाव में रहिए पूरा टाइम. जिसके भी प्रति आपको कृतज्ञ रहना है, उसको अपनी आंखों के सामने लाइए. मन ही मन उसके आभार व्यक्त करते जाइए. It should come from the center of your heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. अपना भाव कृतज्ञता का ही रखिए, अपने विचारों में ना खोइए। Let your heart fill with love. श्वास अंदर लीजिए और श्वास छोड़ते समय थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू। With every exhalation, you can be in the mood of gratitude. Inhale love and exhale the gratitude. Inhale love and thank you, thank you, thank you while exhaling. That feeling should not go. आपका भाव हमेशा कृतज्ञ होना चाहिए, विचारों के पीछे ना भागे। हल्की सी स्माइल, can keep repeating yourself. Thank you for this day. Thank you for the air I breathe. Thank you for this wonderful family. Thank you for my comfortable bed. With every exhalation, say thank you. Thank you for this human life I have got. Now I want you to keep your right hand on your heart. Everyone should keep your right hand on your heart. Gently. Again, think of a person, place, thing whom you love. And with full warmth, full love, you should say, thank you, thank you, thank you. Feel that your heart is full with that warmth and that love. It's expanding. It's expanding. कितना ज्यादा आभार है आपके दिल में सबके लिए, सब प्रति आप आभारी हो। जितना दोगे उतना कम है, आप सबको बांट सकते हैं। Everyone deserves your gratitude. This is what you are from inside. You are a positive person, full of positive energy. Feel that love. Stay in this feeling for some more time. Last 2 minutes. हल्की सी मुस्कान चेहरे पे, खूब सारा प्यार आपके दिल में। Feel that increase in vibrations inside you. Now we will say positive affirmations to ourselves. I am healthy, I am happy, I am satisfied and contented. I am full of love for myself and for others around me. Thank you, God, for whatever you have given me, also for whatever you have not given me. Now gently rub your palms, the center of your palms, keep it on your eyes. And with a smile, open your eyes. Thank you, everyone.